How to fix not receiving email notifications on Gmail. So if you're on your iPhone and you're not receiving email notifications, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and fix this. So first thing you need to do is load up the Gmail app on your phone, click on the settings bar in the top left hand side, and then just scroll down the page and click on settings. Now select email notifications and make sure this is set to all new emails. You could then click on notification sounds, make sure you have a sound selected like this, and then you can go and save these changes. Now once you've done this, head back over to your home screen and then go and load up your iPhone settings. Now scroll down to battery, scroll down to power mode, and make sure the low power mode is turned off and disabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, scroll down to notifications. You can then scroll down again until you see Gmail in the list and click on this. Make sure allow notifications are turned on. You can scroll down to alerts and go and select the notification types from the list. Also make sure sounds and badges are turned on as well. Now once you've done this, the final step is to use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen. You'll then see Do Not Disturb, go and click on this, and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off and disabled. Once you've applied all of these settings, you should then be able to receive Gmail notifications.